Hello and welcome to Nurses Lifeline Learning. So today's topic is the role of the nurse in inpatient department. So welcome to our heart of patient care, the inpatient department. Here, nurses plays a vital role in ensuring the health, safety and well-being of every patient. Their dedication, compassion and expertise are essential in delivering high quality healthcare services. So today we will see what are the nurses' role. An inpatient department is a unit of a hospital and healthcare facilities where patient is admitted for appropriate care. So their nurses provide care to the patients related to any disease condition. Any patient is admitted for short and long term disease depending upon the severity of the disease. So some patients will have the long hospital stay, some patients will have a short hospital stay. So it depends upon the type of disease the patient is suffering with. So the functions of IPD to provide the highest possible quality of medical and nursing care for the patient. So when I'm talking about the highest possible quality of medical and nursing care, so when we are talking about the quality means proper care. Nurses should be according to the needs of the patient. They have to provide care. They have to keep in mind all the resources that are available in the unit. Proper medication she has to give to the patient, and according to the latest technique and technology should be used to providing the care to the patient. Then they have to provide necessary equipments, essential drugs, essential equipments, like if the patient is having breathing difficulty, so they have to provide oxygen mask to the patient so that patient will not have any breathing difficulty. Then essential drugs, whatever the doctor has prescribed the medications, they have to provide all the essential drugs to the patient. All other store required for patient in an organized manner. Whatever needs are there to the patient, they have to give to furnish most desirable environment, substituting as temporary home for a patient. So as the patient is away from the home, so they should not feel like abandoned, because sometimes patient is having a fear of their disease, like what will happen, I don't know what will be the outcome of the disease. So patient is already in fear, and when they will go to the different environment, they will feel more fear and anxiety, and they may further increase the sign and symptoms in the patients. So the environment should be very suitable as their home environment, to provide facilities to meet the needs of the visitors and attendants. So there should be facilities so that a patient can meet the family members and the attendants, so that their mind will be diverted. Any diversion therapy can be provided to the patient. So what is the process in the IPD? So if we'll see the process, it starts from the preparation of the unit. Once the doctor will take the decision that patient has to admitted in the unit or any specific ward, so nurse will start preparing that ward. So they will receive the patient with all their documents. Then they will orient the patient. They will provide the first, they will provide the bed to the patient. Okay, so they will orient the give the orientation of the ward. Why orientation is necessary? Because when the patient goes to the ward, they don't know anything. Where is the this washroom facility, from where they will get the food, so where is the any other essential equipment if they need in the emergency. So everything they should know about that is related to the patients, everything they should know, so that they will make them little bit comfortable. Then assessment of the patient, then they will nurses will assess the needs of the patient. On the basis of the need, they will find out the, they will make the nursing care plans, and according to the nursing care plan, whatever planning they have done, they will implement all that care to the on the patient. Treatment of the patient and documentation, so they whatever treatment they will give to the patient, whether it's nursing care or the medications that is prescribed by the doctor, whatever is done on the patient, that should be properly documented on a particular document. Then role of the nurse in IPD. So clinical responsibility in patient nursing care main goal is to improve patients' quality of life while ensuring they are comfortable. In addition, nurses ensure admission and discharge of the patient. Okay, so when the patient is come to the hospital, they did not come just like that. They come with some disease and they need assistance to recover, so they need proper treatment. So recovery is also depends upon the type of care provided by the nurses, so they and further prevent from any complication. So it's our responsibility to provide them a proper quality care. Whatever procedure they will do, they have to use a aseptic technique so that we will not um, infect the patient, or we should not provide a harm to the patient. Medications, while giving medication, we have to properly check all the rights of the medication. We should not give any wrong medications. Any researches has been done, latest technology that can be used for to make the patient recover. Then related to the admission and the discharge, so in discharge in admission we have seen that when the patient come to the unit, any inpatient department, nurses, it's nursing responsibility to arrange the patient, to assess the needs of the patient, and according to the needs they have to provide the care and document all those things. So during the discharge also they have to provide necessary documents to the patient and ask them to follow up care, and health education is the most important aspect when they have to follow up, which type of diet they have to take, what they have to do when they will go back to home. Then managerial functions. So managerial responsibility is maintain patient's file, update patient statistics, and provide reports to the doctor and other staff members. So here nurses, whatever patient's treatment is going on, they have to maintain proper record files, then update patient statistics. So patient statistics means what a patient statistics means so patient statistics means whatever data is there that they have to maintain, so that it can helpful in the further researchers. Then provide report to the doctor and other staff members, so they can provide this thing to the patients, reports to the doctors and other staff members, so they will help to discuss what is the present condition of the patient. If the patient has recovered from the disease, he doesn't need further stay in the hospital, so they can go back. Then personal responsibility, so nurse has to coordinate with other healthcare team members for coordination and expert advice if they need for the patients, so they have to coordinate with the other healthcare team member. Then research and development responsibility, so inpatient care nurse is having the responsibility related to the research and development. So it's her responsibility to provide care by using the latest technology, so they can help in the researches. New researches are going on, so they can help in the development of the self development of the nurses, as well as the development of the particular healthcare facilities. So this is all about the responsibility of the inpatient department, role of the nurse in inpatient department. Please, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to make such videos, then write in comment below.